Max Weber. Max Weber, another classical sociologist who was born in Germany in 1864. And Max Weber is a very important major figure in the establishment of sociology as a scientific discipline. जब हम sociology के origin की बात करते हैं तो कुछ classical thinkers हैं who have contributed a lot in establishing sociology as a scientific discipline. And Max Weber, along with Emile Durkheim, Karl Marx, Herbert Spencer, Auguste Comte, is considered as one of the founders of sociology. So he was a sociologist, a philosopher, jurist, and political economist who was born in Germany and was very influential, and his ideas are very much important in social theory. जब social theory develop हो रही थी और social research की बात हो रही थी तो मैक्स वेबर के जो ideas हैं they were very influential. He has more powerful positive impact on a wide range of sociological theories than any other sociological theorist. So जो sociological theories हैं जिसकी मैं फ्यूचर में वीडियोस रिकॉर्ड करूंगी आपको एक्सप्लेन करूंगी उसकी इंपॉर्टेंट वर्क्स हैं जैसे कि अब प्रोटेस्टेंट एथिक एंड द स्पिरिट ऑफ कैपिटलिज्म और his theory of social action or his concept of social ideal types or so all these things they have contributed a lot in development of sociological theories. Now, before coming to the major contributions of Auguste Comte, Max Weber, how Max Weber has defined sociology. उसकी definition क्या है sociology की? Max Weber ने sociology को कैसे define किया है? He says that it's a science which attempts the interpretative understanding of social action in order thereby to arrive at a causal explanation of its course and effects. So इस definition में मैक्स वेबर बताते हैं that sociology क्या है? It's a science which attempts to interpretative understanding of social action. Social action is any action taken place in the society in relation to other individuals or other actors. तो social action वो है जो in relation to other actors है. उन सोशल एक्शंस की इंटरप्रिटेटिव अंडरस्टैंडिंग ताकि हम एक कॉजल एक्सप्लेनेशन पे पहुंच सके जो एक्सप्लेन करे कि क्या सर्कमस्टांसेस थे दैट इज द कोर्स एंड क्या कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस हैं दैट इज द इफेक्ट ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर सोशल एक्शन. So it's an interpretative understanding of social action which is done through scientific methods ताकि एक इंडिविजुअल सोशियोलॉजिस्ट समझ सके और अराइव एट कैजुअल एक्सप्लेनेशन those casual explanation which explain the course that is the circumstances and results into effect that is the consequences of that particular social action. So understanding in detail social action is sociology according to Max Weber. So he was concerned with the questions of objectivity and subjectivity. Objectivity is when we take into consideration a particular thing without the influence of our biases and prejudices. अपनी likes, dislikes को पीछे रख के कोई काम करना, कोई रिसर्च करनी, किसी चीज को पढ़ना उसे बोलते हैं ऑब्जेक्टिविटी. पर जब हमारे काम, हमारी रिसर्च, हमारी स्टडी को हमारे लाइक्स, डिसलाइक्स, इंटरेस्ट, हमारे प्रेजुडाइसेस इन्फ्लुएंस करते हैं तो उसे बोलते हैं सब्जेक्टिविटी. So he was into these questions of objectivity and subjectivity in research, and this is the definition of sociology as given by Max Weber. So thank you so much for listening, students. See you in the next video.